Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samson, the roadman, and today guys I'm here in Garden Compound just to see the works which people have been doing here concerning the road that is being built. This road, the time I lived here, like back in 2000 to 2006, we never used to have this road, but now they have built a beautiful road. So I'm just going to walk you around and show you guys how Garden Compound looks like, but also to be specific how this road is. It's a new road, they just built it. I think they completed last month. So yeah, come along, watch this video from start to the end. Like the video, subscribe and share. Alright guys, I'm here in Garden Compound, and to be honest with you, you can't talk about Garden Compound without looking at the metal fabricators here, as you can see on the other side there. But most young men actually in Garden, they are very much into metal fabrication, so they do a lot of that. And as we go along, and I'm just going to vlog around and show you guys what is going on. But also there's a road like on the other side, apart from this. So this is Katimamulio Road, you know, joining the Great North Road on this side, and then this side it joins the Great East Road. Okay, so this is where I am, and on the other side there's a road that comes from town, that is the Lusaka CBD. Yeah, so that road is being maintained. I think it has been upgraded, if I put it that way. But also you can see the beautiful works of these guys here. They are really into metal fabrication. You can see the beautiful doors, gates, and everything is actually being made here. So it's quite an interesting place to be. You know, look there, very busy, young men making things happen. Look at here. You can see how beautiful it is. So wow, that gate is very tall. So if you're looking for like a place where you can actually make, you can buy like gates, this is it. This is it. Yeah, you can see people are seriously working. You know. So this is Garden Compound. Garden Compound. So it's not Garden House. Others may think it's Garden House. No, it's not. This is Garden Shilulu, if that's what you may think of it. So Garden is actually located on near Olympia, near Northmead, you know, Luangwa, somewhere there. And Garden used to be just like by its name, Garden. You know, it used to be a garden for Mwalusaka. Mwalusaka, actually the name Lusaka comes from Mwalusaka, was the chief who was residing at Manda here, where there's not really Manda, where there's a parliament. You know, where there's the parliament. That's where he used to reside. But then he used to do his gardening right here in this area, because this area is actually water. It has a lot of water, and mostly when it rains, there's a lot of water logging here. So yeah, but this is where we are. Let me just walk you around and I'll show you the road, the new road which they are making here. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so this is there's young fiddles over here. This is Garden, what they call the last bus stop here. Okay, you can see how it is. And then, sure, according to the last video that I did from here, actually that was the rainy season, guys. This road was really bad. Like I said, if you've jumped on a bus that is coming to Garden, you will hear speaking such as Zambia. Zambia is right over here. But take a look. This is very good. I'm impressed with this road, guys. It wasn't like this. It was very bad, like very bad. But here we are. So let's see how far they went. You know, just making this beautiful road in Garden compound. Okay, so this road goes all the way to, it joins, I think, the road called Manchinchi Road, on the other side. So like I was telling you guys, people here are very much into metal fabrication, you know. So you can see this is the market, especially here the road was very bad. Like it was really bad, guys, very bad. But take a look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. But then I just hope people are not getting bashed, because I actually do remember my first time seeing somebody being hit with, and then dying on the spot. It was right somewhere there ahead of us, you know. So it was very bad. Actually, after that again I saw another one along this same road, you know. That was back in 2004 or 5, somewhere there. Yeah, 2004 or 5. I was standing. So actually, for those that may not know, I actually lived here in Garden compound from 2000 to 2006. After I left Chiwombo, yeah, I came here and I lived right in this yard. This used to be called the Zambia Red Cross Drop-in Center. And I can see the vehicle there from the Zambia Red Cross just entering. Oh, so it looks like they're still in charge here. I thought somebody sold it. So I was actually standing somewhere here, and then I saw somebody being hit here. You know, that was 2004, I think. Yeah. So you can see that's the Zambia Red Cross Society Henry Dunant Skills Training Center. Okay, and then this is purely Garden, but they used to make blocks somewhere here where the guys are doing their metal fabrication now. Okay, so that's Red Cross. That's where I stayed for 6 years. Yeah, and the Swedish people, I think, built us that house in there, the Henry Dunant house. Okay, but these guys, I'm very excited. I think a big thumbs up to the councillor for this area. That is, I think, Adrian. You know, he's done very good just to make sure that, we get people here get actually a road, a proper road. You know, the Adrian is the councillor, but also, of course, the MP. You know, they did a good job. This is commendable. You know, commendable, guys. Now, what is missing here? So what is missing now is the drainage system. We need to put a drainage system right here. Okay? We need to create a drainage system somewhere here. You know, somewhere, because when it rains here, it becomes something else. When it rains. And then another accident which I saw, somebody was coming from, I don't know if it's this gate or somewhere here, and then I was walking just like this, and then it came and entered into the road, and then a Zesco vehicle, a Zesco Toyota Land Cruiser, hit him. I saw him, I watched him go up in the air, and yeah, after falling down, they picked him, and we were told later that he died just along the way as they were trying to take him to the hospital. Okay, so that was it. So those two accidents. Now you can imagine if kids are playing, this is your home, and kids are playing right here. You know? Because right here there's a very sharp corner. You can see. Wow. This sharp corner going down this way, you need to be very careful. Even me, I need to be very careful. You know? But this is it. This is a beautiful road which they've made. I find it to be very interesting because, hey guys, I can tell you, from that 2006, we experienced the West Road until actually today. So that's why I said let me just go and make a video and show people how the road looks like. But this is it. This is it. You know, it never used to be like this, but they've done it. They've done it. Beautiful road. Now you can imagine how long it has taken the government to actually think of like rebuilding this road. You know, I'm talking about 2000, but maybe it was even worse before 2000. You know, and then this one, these are the sewer. This is where all the sewer thingy, all the sewer waste actually comes into. You know, it's being run by the Lusaka Water and Sewerage Company. This is it. Everything in Lusaka comes here, you know, to be processed. Yeah. So everything in Lusaka comes here. But the good part is that, guys, like, you may be thinking because people are living here and then trucks, those waste trucks are actually dropping things in there. You may think that you'll be getting a bad smell, but it doesn't. I've lived here. I lived here for 6 years, and we didn't have bad smell coming from coming from these here. But if you are on the other side, which is called Luangwa, and the trucks are offloading, yeah, you can get a bit of a smell. Yeah, but this is it, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful road here in Garden Compound. Garden. You know, a big thumbs up to the authorities here that made sure that the people of Garden Compound get this beautiful road. Hope it's strong, but of course it's gonna be strong because it's gonna last, I think, because there isn't like trucks that passes here. So yeah, and this house over here, my friend Sunday Walia lived here for a long time. That house over there. Yeah, okay. So, and then Brian Chilalas. This is the pub that belonged to Brian Chilala, former Zambian musician, the late Zambian musician called Brian Chilala. Yeah. And then where there's a police, where there's a police now, it used to be a charcoal area, but now the charcoal has been moved to here. Right behind these shops, you find charcoal. Hey, him. Sorry, there's a chat. So we are here. There's an art shop. Oh, there it is. Art shop there, guys. Beautiful art shop. So I'm just checking out this beautiful road that has been constructed here in Garden Compound. And I think it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful road. You know? Beautiful, beautiful road. Yeah? Manchinchi Suppliers. Hey, this shop has been in existence for a long, long time. These are all new shops here on this side. We never used to have shops here. Never used to have shops on this side. And this building, the tall building here, is known as Fred Joe. It's known as Fred Joe here in Garden. And then right behind these shops again is Luangwa. I think a neighborhood called Luangwa. Behind these. I love this collection here. Look at these beautiful Land Rovers, the 110s. Wow. You guys see the collection here? Okay, interesting. So this is Fred Joe. Fred Joe, guys. Okay. This is a beautiful place, a beautiful road. And, so it goes down there, it joins Manchinchi Road. Okay. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel to watch my video up to this far. But tell me what you think about this particular road here in Garden Compound. You know, for me, I think it's a very good road. Actually, it's a good development, like I've mentioned that since the time I lived here, like in 2000 to 2006, we never used to have this road. The road was very bad, very poor. But now this is 2025 and we have the road. Amazing. Amazing. Let me see, they're saying some things here. Hey, mulibwa? Bwino. Atshana pa mulishtia shinga. Guys, see these nice plates here. Huh? Munga ya so very there. Oh, muli busy. Okay. So you can see the ladies are busy with their phones. So